think I hear Mort in the bathroom.
Come on, Urine, you can do this. It's just like your toilet at home, please. It's been 5 days now. Why won't you just cooperate? Is someone out there?
Housekeeping!
Oh, come on in. I'm just urinating. Tinkle, tinkle, splash, splash, swoosh. Look at, oh boy, what a healthy stream. Will it ever end?
What are you guys doing here?
We're taking you back to Quahog to collect our reward.
Oh, no, I can't go back there. The mob will kill me.
Ha!
What?
A shark bit Quagmire's penis off. Ha!
I can't believe it. This is horrible. What am I gonna do?
Come on now, keep that enormous chin up, Glenn. There's lots you can do. You could devote your life to Christ, or become a eunuch.
Cleveland, why don't you sit this one out?
Listen, Quagmire, I got just a way for you to embrace your new life without a penis. I've had this computer blocked so you can discover all the other exciting things on the internet besides porn.
Like what?
Well, there's,
I like to research birds, try to learn a bird a day.
well, not that necessarily, but,
You got your robin,
Wow, you really know your stuff, Joe.
your swallow,
Swallow?
actually, this is what we're trying to avoid.
you got your titmouse.
Damn it, Joe, stop with the sex birds!
Look, I appreciate what you're trying to do, guys, but this is a disaster. You don't understand what that penis meant to me. We did everything together. Absolutely everything. As she tenderly unlaced her silken corset, Jennifer shuddered in anticipation of the sensual night ahead.
This is not good. As soon as I'm back in Quahog, the mob is gonna kill me.
I don't care. We're getting the hell out of Florida.
Florida, which, interesting trivia, was the name of the mom in Good Times, played by David Ortiz.
Uh-oh. Looks like the mob knew we were coming.
It's him! Get him!
Oh no, we're done for!
No, we're not. I'm the fastest Jew in the world.
Crap. They got Mort. There goes our reward.
Well, maybe we were in over our heads. Like an announcer who knows nothing about his sport.
He's got about 190 yards to the hole. Looks like he's going for his 5-iron. And those greens are playing very fast, so he's going to have to use caution on his approach.
Yeah.
Jordan Spieth, of course, having a great tournament. He birdied this hole yesterday.
Is that right? Wow.
And he hits a great shot right on the green.
Yeah. How do you win golf?